Hey, how's it going, guys? I have two major surprises for you in this video. Finally, my Tailwind CSS course is out today. Get the early bird price down in the video description. Now, this is the solo course. And as I said, I have two surprises. The second one is that my bundle is finally out. I have been working on this bundle for a long time, and I have been working on creating my own platform where I could bundle together multiple courses in one major bundle so you have access to all of them. And this is the very first bundle that I'm presenting to you, the Ultimate CSS Frameworks bundle with 65 hours of video content for you to enjoy. It includes multiple courses. It includes 5 major courses, starting with the most important one, the Visual Studio Code course. It is, well, basically essential. Visual Studio Code is the best code editor out there. I have been using Visual Studio Code for so long, I can't even remember. And of course, it is included in this bundle. You're going to actually start the bundle if you want with this course. You can jump through the course if you want. But what does this specific course contain? Well, it contains how to customize your Visual Studio Code, how to write code faster, how to install and configure Visual Studio Code, how to use it with Python, with Node.js, with Sass, with React, with Vue, with Angular. Also, source control with Git and GitHub is included in Visual Studio Code, customizable Visual Studio Code, themes, shortcuts, extensions, snippets, and many more. Now, if you're done with this one, you can move to the beginner to advanced HTML, CSS, and Sass, which includes how to create responsive design. I'm going to take you as a complete beginner from HTML and CSS and also Sass, and we are going to learn about grid systems, Flexbox, responsive design, and of course, creating real-world applications, real-world projects, and uploading them to the internet. You're going to learn website deployment using GitHub and Netlify, and of course, how to create GitHub repositories. After that comes the newest one, which is Tailwind CSS, my freshly released course, my proud child. In this course, you will learn how to set up Tailwind CSS for your own projects, how to use utility classes and style your web pages, how to create responsive designs with Tailwind CSS, advanced techniques and best practices for using Tailwind CSS. And we're going to cover everything from the basic Tailwind CSS classes to advanced configurations. We're also going to include dark mode, and we are going to use Tailwind CSS with HTML, with JavaScript, and with React, of course. And what is interesting about this course, we're going to create our own components. You know, if you're following me, you know I love components. I love creating my own stuff, then using it everywhere where it's useful, actually. Now, after this course, you are going to be taken to Bootstrap. Next level. Next level is the next level. I know it's a big difference between Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS. One is utility classes based, one is component based. Bootstrap is component based. Again, a completely beginner friendly course where you will learn about Bootstrap 5 themes and UIs from scratch. 10 times your productivity. Actually, if you're using Bootstrap, you can create websites extremely fast. You're going to learn the semantics of HTML5, CSS, grid techniques with Flexbox again, and grid systems. But within Bootstrap this time, learn how to create real-life websites using Bootstrap 5 with amazing high-quality UI ready to be deployed for your portfolio. So learn Bootstrap 5, utilities, and classes. And of course, we are going to modify a bit Bootstrap using Sass, because the last course is my proud child, the Sass, the advanced Sass course, where you're going to learn from a complete beginner. You're going to learn how to use Sass in real-world projects. We're going to go through each and every step of Sass. You know, Sass is CSS with superpowers, just like TypeScript is superpower for JavaScript. Once again, we're going to create real-life projects, managing media queries, global variables, CSS animations. You're going to create, once more, your own reusable Sass components. These are really important to know, because with those powers, you can basically kind of create your own framework. That is what we're working on at the end of this course. So what does this entire package contain? Well, it contains 5 courses with a total of 65 hours of video content, 550 lectures, over 25 real projects, actually. The entire source code is within the courses, and this being the launch day, you're going to get the early bird price for limited time only. So guys, if you ever wanted to support me, first of all, hit that like button, share this video with others, and definitely check out this package, or just check out the Tailwind CSS that's only on Udemy. Everything else is in the entire package. So you can buy now the Tailwind CSS course, which is out today, or you can buy the entire package as you wish. And as always, happy coding. Catch you next time. I'm Norbert BM. I teach web development. Bye-bye.